best biscuits and gravy.
Buttermilk Farmhouse has 2 locations on Long Island. When I tell you they have the best biscuits and gravy and fluffiest pancakes, this is the Patchogue location. Be prepared for a wait, especially on the weekend, but the quality of the food is exceptional.
Got these last time and insane. Flavor on the gravy, the biscuit, fluffy, over easy eggs, some pepper. I'm gonna take some biscuits and gravy with
You guys need change over here?
the eggs.
Mind if I take any plates out of here?
Take everything, we're good.
Insane. A bacon bite. Cheesy grits. Those are really good. Super creamy. With the runny egg. Banana pancake bite. Super fluffy.